Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at the Versace model 4393 in color code 5334/87. It comes in this Versace gift box. This is the case. This frame does come with a detachable lens in this protective sleeve. This is a temple protector. The color of this frame is Fluxia gold. On the top over here we have a gold Versace logo. The style of the frame is fashion shield. On the temples here we have a gold Medusa emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of the lenses are gray, and they have a Versace logo on the left side of the lens. These lenses are removable, and this is the detachable lens. The color of this lens is purple, with the Versace logo on the left side. These lenses are able to be removed with magnets over here. Pop out these magnets, pull this down, and this is the other lens. And this lens can be changed into this with the magnets as well. They connect into this side. And there's the new lens. Over here we have a Luxottica manufacturer booklet. We have over here a Versace international warranty card. And a dust bag to put your glasses in.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.